Hi guys, welcome to this video. I hope everyone is okay. Today we're gonna do an unboxing video. I've got the first single album of Woozi and Hoshi Beam. I just received it. So I've got the readers version, the kit version, and the photo book version. And I also got some pre-order benefits as I take it in pre-order, obviously. So we're gonna start. So yeah, I got this, but I don't think it's part of the pre-order benefit. It's like a freebie on the shop, but it's cute. Then yeah, we're gonna start with the pre-order benefit. I don't remember exactly of what was included as a pre-order benefit. Yeah, also I hope the light is okay. It's pretty dark here now, so I'll try to set up the best I can. So we've got this. I think it's yeah, a card holder. So this is the back. It comes with the Withers version, I think, but I'm not sure of what I say, so sorry if I made a mistake. And we've got badges, this one and this one. Really pretty. And then we've got tickets, holographic tickets, and the back. And we've got some photo cards. So we've got this Hoshi photo card. This Hoshi. And then I've got this one of Fuji, really cute. And this one of Hoshi, really cute as well. And we're good for the pre-order benefits. It's like pretty good stuff, I think. There is a lot of goodies, and we're gonna do now, I think we're gonna start with the reverse version. So let's go. So here the front, and here the back. Oh yeah. So this is how it look once it's open. Then we've got this, and then we have, so yeah, I guess we have like two random photo cards. So I've got Hoshi. Maybe there is more. I can't remember the template right now, but that's okay. And this is the QR code photo card. I don't know how many there is, but I guess there is one with Woozi too, maybe. Okay. Really nice. So I'm gonna close this back. And now we're gonna do the kid version. I received the kit before the other rounds because this one was without pre-order benefits, so it came earlier, but I waited to have all the version to open it. It was hard, you know, because I was really excited and I really wanted to unboxing it, but yeah, I could wait for it, and it's better, I think, to open it all together. So yeah, that's good. So here we go. So this is the box. Open. Okay, so we've got some like the, no, I don't think it's the lyrics. It's like, yeah, the credits of the album. And we've got postcards, and the photo cards that will, okay, ooh, so many postcards. I'm gonna do this way. Okay, so let's go. I'm so happy right now to be able to unboxing it, because you know they're soon gonna be enlisted. So yeah, at least they prepare some stuff for carrots, and I really appreciate it. They're so caring as always. Really stunning photos, really. Okay, the one before was upside down, as purpose. I love this one. Woozi is so cute on this. And Hoshi, I love the style, the bandana. Okay. So this was the cats, and now we're gonna, and now we have the kit. Like, yeah. This is the front, and this is the back, and the little chain too. So I don't know where I'm gonna put it, and if I'm gonna put it on the binder or not, because it's pretty thick, you know, but yeah, I'll try to figure it out. And this is instructions. So yeah, this is the Korean version, and yeah, the English is here. I try to make this thing working later. So now I'm gonna put it back. Oh yeah. Okay. And finally, the photo cards. So we've got Hoshi and Woozi. I don't know if there is several versions of the photo cards with the kid version. I will check it, the templates, after the video. And we're gonna move on to the photo book version. So there is two versions. We're gonna start with the blue one. So this is the front, and this is the back. And inside. So so gorgeous.
tonight. All we got's the city lights. City lights, city lights. No she ever be got us up dance all night. Oh yeah right, we're lit the light, we're lit the light. City lights, city lights. Good up, she all about tonight. Let it shine. Oh yeah right, we're going up higher tonight.
And we're good for the photo book. Now we've got some inclusions. QR code. So yeah, this is the lyric book. And the CDs. With Hoshi on it. Then we've got a poster. I can't show you in one take, but okay. And the back is like beam riding everywhere. Really nice. Then we've got mini poster. I love it. They are so fine in this style. And the back. And then we've got sticker. And then we've got photo cards. So we've got Hoshi. Oh, I really love it. So cute. And the back. And we've got a unit card. I love it. So we are good. I think it was the X version, but I'm not sure. I don't want to say something wrong, but yeah. So this version is good. Now we're gonna do the other one version. Oops. The black one. So we've got the front and we've got the back. And this one is the same as the other one, it just like reversed. And here we go for the photo book. I don't know. No, it's not the same. Oops. And this is over. Really nice photo book too. But I think I prefer this one. But yeah, I love both. So for the inclusion, so we've got the lyric book and the CD. So is this Woozi on this? No, we've got Hoshi too. But I think there is a Woozi version. Yeah, really pretty. Then we've got the poster. So and the back. Then we've got the mini poster. Then we've got the sticker. And we've got the photo cards. We've got Woozi this time. Really cute. And the unit one. Lovely, really lovely. And yeah, I think we are good for this unboxing. So there is like many new photo cards. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed it, and I'm really happy to have done this unboxing. Take care of yourself. See you soon, and bye bye.